In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see your subscribers on YouTube. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off go to youtube.com, then sign into your YouTube account, and once it is done, click right here at the top right corner at your profile picture, and then go to YouTube Studio. And that's where at a dashboard, if we scroll down a bit, we can easily find this section which is called recent subscribers. Here we can see the subscribers with the higher amount of their subscribers. However, to see more subscribers, we can click at see all, and by default it shows us all the subscribers for the last 90 days. We can click right here and change it to 7 days, 28 days, 90 days, 365 days, or lifetime. And then also we can filter those users by subscriber count and by date subscribed. Keep in mind that YouTube shows us just users who allowed others to see their subscriptions in that list. That's basically how you can easily see your subscribers on YouTube.